Imagine standing 5 meters underground. No light, no escape. If the walls fail, there's no second chance. That's why every step has to be precise. They began by opening up the ground. At first, it was just clearing soil and shaping the pit. Nothing fancy, but everything was under control. As the base took form, the edges were kept clean and the bottom carefully leveled. Then a smaller, deeper hole was dug. It was designed to lock the foundation in place and manage groundwater. Before building above, a thin layer of crushed stone was spread across the bottom, improving drainage and keeping moisture away. Once stable, insulation was added. From here, everything else could rise. With insulation in place, they moved to the foundation. Bricks were laid to define the base, followed by steel reinforcement to carry the load. Once everything was set, concrete was poured, slowly filling every gap. The structure was left to cure. Only after it fully hardened did work continue. At this stage, the bunker had a solid foundation. The stairs were the first usable part. They had to feel right underground. Each step was measured and cut into the soil, slowly forming a path downward. Once shaped, formwork and steel were installed. Concrete followed, turning the design into a permanent structure. After curing and removing the molds, the stairs were ready to bear weight. With the stairs in place, the underground space began to close in. Walls defined the bunker with clean lines and fixed dimensions. Formwork wrapped the interior, with steel running through it. Once concrete was poured, the space no longer felt carved from soil. It felt built. The roof came next, shaped from above. Layers were stacked and secured. steel tied in, and everything sealed. Concrete closed the structure from the top, completing the underground space. With the structure sealed, attention shifted outside. Plastic sheets and coatings covered every surface. These layers didn't change the inside appearance, but determined how the bunker would age over time. Once complete, the hole was filled layer by layer. The ground returned to its original form. From above, nothing remained visible. When the formwork was removed, the bunker was revealed for the first time. The space opened, exposing raw concrete. Every detail was checked. Lines, corners, surfaces. Rough areas were refined, walls cleaned, edges smoothed. With the structure complete, the focus shifted to function. Steel frames were installed inside, creating a strong internal skeleton. A final coat brought everything together. No longer an empty concrete room, but something usable. Wood panels followed, forming shelves. The space transformed again. Every section had a purpose. This was the final step, from structure to function.